Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add TrustPilot reviews to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is TrustPilot reviews. So go to the right top corner to sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in L-Site, you just want to write in the search when you're going to be in applications, TrustPilot. And you're going to see here TrustPilot reviews. Let's create a widget. Now, what I recommend is definitely choose a really like that you want, like slider one, or reviews widget like the list. I like the slider. I'm going to continue with the template. Now we just add here your URL of TrustPilot here. And when you got it, go to right top corner to save. You can also edit the style if you want and also review. Click save. Right after, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Now, just click add, empt, custom empt, and empt widget. Let's scroll down below. And let's just simply enter the code here and paste the code. Update. And voila, here we got it. So now when I would like preview it, voila. Easy, right? So this is how you can do it, and this is how you can add TrustPilot reviews to your Wix website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya. I definitely recommend like using the list. List is best for TrustPilot.